One of the primary goals in this latest release of DecoNetwork is making managing your production easier. We've added a new calendar view that allows you to easily and quickly schedule orders for production. Let's jump in and take a look. Calendar view is now the default view here in production and allows you to switch between week view, day view, and month view. Scheduling an order is as simple as grabbing it and dropping it onto the day where you plan running production. You can hover over an order to see the production details, including the current status, the decoration methods used, and a production mockup. Using Month View, you can click on a day to see all of that day's orders listed on the right-hand side panel, and you can click Show to expand that order's details. Assigning a production job is as simple as clicking and selecting a team member. In addition to scheduling orders by dragging them around in the calendar view, you can also schedule a job for a specific date using the reschedule function. The production calendar also allows you to jump straight into production by clicking an item from the production details. From here, your team can download production artwork and start marking items as produced as they work through the job. Because everyone's production workflow is different, we've added an option that allows you to set the default schedule date for new orders in production. Let's quickly jump into the admin section and review that option. From within our admin dashboard, we'll jump into Settings, Production and Order Settings, Quote Order and Invoice Settings. Here you'll find a new section for production, where we can set how many days before the ship date to schedule out production for a new order. The new production views here in Business Hub give you a great overview of all of your orders in production, make it easier to schedule and manage your orders, and assign them to your production team members. Check out this and other new features included in the latest release of DecoNetwork.